Luqale ngenjabulo usuku lokuqala ezikoleni njengoba abazali bebethatha izithombe zezingane zabo ebezizoqala uGrade 1. Labafundi bathi sebejahile ukuqala ukubhala nokufunda.
Very excited.
What you
Very
mean?
excited.
Abanye babo bayazi ukuthi bafuna ukwenza umsebenzi muni uma bekhula.
I want to be a doctor
Why?
because I like to see dental, and I like to see, I want to have everybody there.
Umnyango wezemfundo eNorthern Cape uthi izincwadi zokufunda sezihanjisiwe kuzo zonke izikole esifundazweni.
It's for us as a school a very happy experience for the first start of these two grades, Grade R and Grade 1. So we want that to be a joyful experience for the first day, especially for a start of a scholastic year. So we are ready for them. And we are looking forward to a great year for them.
So we're quite happy that all the 555 schools in the province did submit their orders last year already, and some of the materials were delivered already last year to schools. So we're quite confident from the point of view of LTSM that all our children will have materials today as they start school.
Kubukeka kuzoba unyaka umatasa njengoba ukufunda sekuqalile.